Alright YouTube, it's such an awesome day. I am back in Kansas on the farm, and it is awesome. See a little bit of cyan light up there in the sky. We're filming in a different location though, because, yes, I still have my small pipes, but what we're going to talk about is how not to play the bagpipes. Or in other words, what is bad bagpipe playing? Alright, so, honestly, when people think of the bagpipes, yes, you do have a bag, you have drones, and you have a chanter, and the blowpipe. Now, when people think of the bagpipes, they think, oh, you have to circular breathe and do all that, and you just have to, well, here's what that would sound like. I'm not going to circular breathe, but this is kind of what people are thinking. Pull the bag all the way up, don't put your arm on it, and you get this. That is very bad bagpipe playing. And also, when people come up on the drones, they like to do this. I'm going to take this chanter out, deflate the bag completely. We're going to put the chanter back in. Now, a lot of people, when they come up on the drones, and this also pertains to Highland bagpiping, so when they come up on drones, they like to squeeze as hard as they can, fill the bag up, squeeze as hard as they can, and their drones go all over the place. The best way to do it, have your bagpipe like this, blow it up, then make sure you have enough air, then you want to put your bag under your arm. Now, a lot of people also, when they play the bagpipes, sometimes they like to have their drones all the way in, and that's how they play the bagpipes, not knowing how to actually tune drones. And this is the sound people, especially beginning bagpipers, they like to do this. That is very nasty sounding. So what we're going to do is we're going to tune these drones. Keep a steady amount of pressure, play low A. Now, honestly, I am kind of squeezing a little too hard on the drone, on the bag, but that's why my chanter is squeaking a little bit. But let me try and back off on the squeeze a little bit. Alright, and there we go. Now, if y'all are wondering about my chanter now, I do have tape on my chanter because I've noticed some of my notes were sounding a little sharp. So thanks to Chaz, I actually have some tape on my chanter so we can actually play some of the notes as they should. That's another, when people play the bagpipes, a lot of people think that, you know, you could just play bagpipes like normal. Well, bagpipes are very different in the fact that you actually kind of have to tune each individual note on the chanter. So we're going to go through the scale. Okay, G sounds really good. That would be low G. A is really good. B is a bit sharp. C sounds really good. D is a tad bit flat. E, just plain awesome. F, just like E. G, high A actually does not have tape on it, but it actually sounds really good right there. The high A sounds good even without chanter tape on it. But F and G needed some tape on there because they were a bit sharp. So let's compare high G to low G. Well, let's do high A. Sounds really good. Now with the chanter tape on, here is the G with chanter tape on it and low G. And there we go. Also, a lot of people when they play bagpipes, here's one last tip. Another thing that bagpipers will do that can also be another example of what bad bagpipe playing might sound like. They like to do this. Squeeze and blow. They blow up and then they just lift their arm completely off the bag. Here's what that sounds like. You do not want that when playing bagpipes. What you want is a steady pressure and steady pitch. Let's use Donald McLean as an example. Here's what you should sound like when playing the bagpipes. So the goal is to keep a steady pressure throughout the entire tune. Alright, there's what bad bagpipe playing will sound like. This also not only pertains to Highland bagpiping, but Scottish small piping. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.